Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a visual effect similar to what VFX artists do using free AI tools. Please support my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
We'll be removing a character from a video using Runway ML to get a clean background, then we'll use Lensco to turn a normal image into a strange creature, and finally, we'll use Viggle AI to bring a photo to life by applying the movements from a video to it. I'll also teach you how to use Chroma Key and green screen at the end of this tutorial. And the best part? The whole process is completely free with the AI tools we'll be using. That's right, no fancy software or expensive subscriptions required. Just follow along as I guide you through the process step by step. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. In the first stage, we have footage from which we need to remove the character to have only a clean background. For this stage, I'm using artificial intelligence from Runway ML. I visit the Runway ML AI website. Through the sign up and login buttons in the top right corner, I create an account and log in. After logging into the dashboard, I click on the Edit Video option from the left menu. On the new page, I click on the In-Painting option, which is used to remove characters and desired elements from the video. On the new page, I click on the plus sign icon located on the left and top of the site for uploading the video. In the new window that opens, I select and upload the video file. After a short period, the uploaded file and its thumbnail image are displayed. I click on it. In the right section, there is an option to preview this video file. I click on the Add to Timeline button. A new page opens where the video is added to its timeline. Now, the mouse cursor changes to a brush shape. We can resize it and make it smaller or larger. After that, by brushing over the character, I fully select it. After a short period, the character is removed by the Runway Artificial Intelligence, and the background is ready for download. I click on the Done in Painting button. I click on the Export button. By setting the resolution and format, I click on the Export Video button. Then, I click on the Go to Export link. On the All Assets page, the final video file is displayed. I right-click on the video thumbnail and select Download from the options. The first stage, which is removing the character from the original footage, is completed by Runway ML Artificial Intelligence. In the second stage, we need an image of the main character that was in the footage. To solve this challenge, we can take a screenshot from the footage with the character in it. To capture a screenshot, I use the snipping tool. First, I play the footage using Windows Media Player or any other tool and pause the video where the character is in the best position. I go to the Start menu in Windows. In the Windows Accessories folder, I run the snipping tool. I click on the new option. I determine the area I need to take a screenshot of. Then I click on the Save option. In the new window that opens, I choose the location to save the image, give it a name, select the JPEG format from the Save as Type list, and save the file. This way, using the snipping tool, we have taken a screenshot of the video. In the third stage, we transform the image of the character obtained from the previous stage into a creature such as a zombie, robot, or similar entity using the image-to-image feature in the Lensco Artificial Intelligence. I create an account on the Lensco website and log in. In the Lensco dashboard, I click on the Create Image option from the left menu. Note that from the left section, under the model category, the Real option should be selected. At the bottom of the page, there is a prompt box with a button called Upload Image. I click on it. In the new window, I select and upload the screenshot taken in the previous stage. After uploading, a thumbnail of the image is displayed. We need to write the changes that need to be applied to the image in detail in the form of a prompt to guide the AI through this text to perform the desired task better. Then I click on the Generate button. After a short period, the generated image and its thumbnail are displayed. I click on the image to view it larger. By hovering the mouse over each thumbnail, a download icon appears for obtaining the images for free. The third stage, which was transforming the character image into a creature using the image-to-image process by Lensco AI, is completed. In the fourth stage, we apply the movements of the character in the original footage to the image created by Lensco AI. To tackle this challenge, we utilize Viggle AI. I visit the Viggle AI website. The functionalities of this website are provided through a Discord server as of this date. To connect to the Discord server, I click on the Join the Beta option and, after a few simple steps, I enter the Viggle AI server on Discord. From the left menu, among the rooms under the Create Videos section, I randomly select one and enter it. At the bottom of the page, there is a box to input a prompt. I type the command mix and select command mix from the drop-down list. Two options for uploading an image and the original footage are displayed. I click on the image item, then in the new window, I select and upload the image created by Viggle AI. Next, I click on the video item, then in the new window, I select and upload the original footage. Then, I click on the background tag, and a list containing two options, white and green, is displayed. I choose the green option to facilitate the chroma key process in the next stage. Then, I click on the fine-tune tag, and a list containing two options, on and off, is displayed. I select the on option. Then, my command is queued in the waiting list. After a short period, this command is executed by Viggle AI, and the result is displayed. In this section, I download the video with a green background. This stage, which involved applying the movements of the character in the original footage to the image created by Viggle AI using Viggle AI, is completed. In the fifth stage, we need to perform Chroma King with a green background, and for this task, I use CapCut, which is a free online video editor. I visit the CapCut website. From the top right section of the website, I create an account by clicking on the Sign Up option and log in. After logging into the dashboard, I click on the New Video option. On the next page, I click on the Upload option and select and upload the video from which we removed the character. Again, I click on the Upload option, select and upload the video from which we need to remove the green background. I add the background video to the timeline by dragging and dropping it. Then, I place the video with the green background on top of the first layer by dragging and dropping it. I select the green background layer. From the right menu, I click on the Smart Tools option, then, from the opened list, I click on the Remove Background option, and then I turn on the Chroma Key option. Then, I click on the droplet icon and click on the green color to select it, and remove it. By adjusting the intensity option, I control and reduce the edges of the character on the green color. Now, the green color is removed, and the character footage is combined with the background footage. I click on the Export button at the top right of the page, then I click on the Download option. In the Export setting window, I adjust the resolution, quality, frame rate, and format options, and then I click on the Export option. The Chroma King process with the green background is completed by the online editor CapCut. In this stage, we can say that we have achieved a visual effects task similar to that of a VFX artist using the AI tools we worked with for free. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on AI and visual effects. Let me know in the comments what topics you're interested in, and I'll make tutorials about them for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you learned something new, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Ask any questions you have about AI and I will be happy to answer them as soon as possible. There are many more AI tutorials on the way, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss them. The future is AI, so embrace AI. See you in the next video.